Hey everyone, Tamara here with Yogi Gardens, and today I am so excited to share with you all something I have learned about growing my lettuce even in warmer temperatures. So if you've seen my recent video about growing lettuce, you know that lettuce is a cool weather crop and it does not like the intense sun or heat that the summer has. And if you live in a climate like mine, temperatures in the springtime can range anywhere from 50 to 60 degrees to all the way up to 85 degrees. It's very unpredictable here. On those hotter days, lettuce will tend to get bitter and then it can bolt. And what bolting means is it's going to flower and then go to seed, which at that point it's no longer any good and pretty much done for the season. So in order to prolong the growing season, there is something we can do, and all you need are 4 stakes. I'm choosing to use bamboo stakes today, a shade cloth, and 4 clips. So all you will need to do is take your 4 stakes and place it around your lettuce, and then cut your shade cloth to fit. I like to leave a little bit of an overhang, and simply clip the shade cloth to your stakes. And it's really just that simple. The shade cloth has some holes in it to allow water in, so when you're watering it makes it a little bit easier, and also it allows the rainwater to get through as well. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will leave a link to everything that I used today in the description below. Thank you all so much, and happy gardening.